Bitcoin correction is underway. Will this drop lay down a bear market or a massive upward breakout? Will altcoins show the lowest of their prices again? Bitcoin showed a correction the other day after a powerful 13.60% rise from its lowest candle to its highest candle. This was to be expected as earlier when Bitcoin was trading in a $63,000 range, and after we saw a sharp drop breaking the support level in the $59,000 range. We feel the drop of $56,000 and $57,000. Banking this drop, many of us were afraid of what would happen next. We wondered if we would see Bitcoin rise or enter a bear market. Those who know what this drop was were aware that they should buy and open a long position, and there was just as fast a 13.60% rise as there was a fast fall of Bitcoin. Of course, after such a wave, we should have expected a correction sooner or later. And now we all feel this correction, but it could not be endless. So now we should be ready to open long positions. I believe that this wave of growth will be higher than the previous one. But I would like to point out that if you look more globally at our chart, we can see that Bitcoin is experiencing a downtrend. This means that if you look at the chart, we can see our Bitcoin gradually falling in value. But that doesn't mean that Bitcoin is coming to an end. It just means that this is just a stepping stone in Bitcoin's ascent to a level well above its maximum price range. If you look at the daily chart and roll back a couple of years, we can see that after such declines we have seen explosive growth, and if we take the approximate growth from the previous cycles, we can realize that in a global perspective we can expect to see growth to at least $80,000 and above. But this target is not close. In the near term, I expect a couple $1,000 more growth and still allow for the possibility that the drop could be even lower than we felt before. Bitcoin is trading at around the $60,800 mark at the time this video was recorded. Meanwhile, Ethereum is no exception and is also experiencing a correction that is not pleasant. It did not hold at the lowest support level of $2,970. Now this coin is falling, and we should be sure that Ethereum will hold on this support level and will not fall down, and then it will surely go up. If Ethereum does not hold on this level, then we should expect a fall further. Dear friends, the main thing is not to panic. Just wait for the market to stabilize. The growth of Ethereum price will definitely be soon. ARKM coin after the fall has clearly closed the next two targets that we expected. I congratulate everyone on this, but now it is important to pay attention to the fact that together with all altcoins it falls even lower. I would like to point out that the fall is not endless, and soon there will be a pullback back to the previous price targets. So dear friends, this drop is only a couple of percent and it is not noticeable for the whole market. As we can see before that recently the whole crypto market has been going in aggressive and big candles up and down. If we distance the chart, we can clearly observe this pattern earlier as well. ARKM is on top of its game and as always is showing great price growth and walking out the expected price points. I would like to tell you that we should just expect a recovery of the minimum of the previous marks and the reclosing of those targets, which I have marked on the chart with yellow lines. ARKM coin is trading at $2.61 at the time of recording this video. Litecoin is experiencing a decline along with others, but before that I was climbing towards our expected marks, which are marked with orange lines. In fact, Litecoin is sideways and has not changed its price tag for the last few days. Like all other coins, now the market is walking in the areas of its lows and highs. arriving in a constant strong movement up or down. We can notice that after every such fall, there has always been about the same powerful rise up. I believe that this will not be an exception and we will soon pull back to our previous highs. I still expect the same targets to work out, which are marked with orange and yellow lines on your screen. Litecoin is trading at $80.54 at the time of recording this video. Next we will consider one very interesting coin called Tonecoin. I believe that this coin in the global perspective will show itself from a very good side. This year I expect it to grow by 100%. Tonecoin is no exception to the rule and is also experiencing a slight dip downward, but I think it's nothing. It's only literally a couple of percent of the current price, which doesn't affect our confidence and our bullishness at all. If we zoom in on our chart, we can see that Ton is in an ascending triangle and is constantly rising. In this situation, the main thing for it is not to fall below the level of $6 and then to gain trading volume in order to fly straight to the moon. The nearest targets in case Ton does not fall below the support zone are $7, $7.27 and $7.48. Tonecoin is trading at $6.70 at the time of the video recording. I'm glad you finished this video and I hope you learned something useful. Don't forget to slap the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bonus links are in the description below this video. Goodbye.